how to make a beat in Ableton Live from scratch. First, let's set the tempo. So I use this tempo. Now select instrument, drum rack, into your MIDI track, drop and drop. Select a sounds in your library. I use this library. You have this in the description, the free drum kit and the premium drum kit. Trap. Select the 808. Snare. Hi-hat. And the kick. Like this. Click here to create a pattern. Double click. Disable this option and move. Okay, here you have the piano roll. And move this. Control D. Kick. And the snare in medium. Add the kicks like this. I wanna change this kick. Kick. Este. You can down the volume here of the snare, for example, or the hi-hat. So go to the drum rack, copy the kicks, select, control, and drag. Nice. I will modify this release of the 808 drum wrap. Select the 808 and down here in classic, down the release. Nice. Control D and Control T. Now you have the drums. We made the melody. Insert new MIDI track and go to this option scales extended. In my channel I have the tutorial to use this. Select the minor, for example this. So go to the library, select a instruments, ethnic, for example. Double click here and piano roll. select the notes and control to move this. And now select the notes and control and drag. Shift and up, shift and down. And the effects plugins, Reaper. I use the native Reaper in Ableton. Audio effects Reaper. Nice. So that is the bit. Now move this to the 9 and control E, control to select, control D to duplicate this. Yeah, that is the bit. I wanna add the other instrument, so right click, insert MIDI track, select the scales, minor, this is my scale A, and select the instrument. Where I wanna use this filter, so reduce this. On the final part, I use this in the master, this plugin, the loudness meter to meter the sound, and don't forget to use the unlimited. this volume of the snare down